Daniel Bavitas with Trimble. 29 years this year. 17 years at Trimble. Last 8 have been with the sales technical team, working the technical stuff and all the software, hardware stuff related to sales and educating new sales folks who've never worked in the industry type situation. And then my first almost 10 was working in the support role. Prior to that, 12 years public private experience, and registered in Colorado. Okay, so this is just kind of my humorous slide of just how things change, software changes, hardware changes, landscapes change. So there was in my younger days, 4400 looking over the front range, and then many years later, we have a big old subdivision and equipment getting smaller. So, and topic today is kind of related around survey data integration. All right, so the agenda, just going to cover aerial photogrammetry enhancements that have happened over the past several releases. Just a quick read through, and then just got to go through just a screenshot step by step of comparing a workflow process. So thank you for the Monson customer sharing the data set, allowing us to compare workflows. And then the third one is just a large set with multiple scanners, aerial stuff, that type of scenario. So the enhancements. So here in 5556, the important one is just looking at the lower right screen is just clicking an icon opens up, the tool opens up, it does what it needs to do, and it's just a 1, 2, 3 step, and not a lot of menus. Everything is just contained in one menu, and just very simple, just a simplified workflow. Moving into 5.7, they worked on enhancements, performance enhancements, dealing with the GSD and the point cloud density, and then making and then the processing performance quicker as well. So you can the data doesn't take days versus hours. And then in 5.7 as well, and then they also did a little competitor analysis. Trimble compared the processes to the other major manufacturers, and you can just see little slides there, 25% at this level, and 8% faster in the time as well. But this can all be seen as well. They did a power hour back in December of last year. You can we could get you the resource to look that up if you're interested in just seeing the analysis that Trimble has done. And version 5.8, that's our current version. We've added additional drones. So each release we're adding different drones. But unfortunately, there's just so many drones. How do you keep up with which drone, etc.? So these are the ones that are supported in Business Center. But the important thing is the model name. So you may have a different camera sensor in there, and then that won't recognize that. So that's the important thing, is if you get a Phantom 4 RTK, we want to make sure that sensor is the FC6310R. So there are other models out there we don't support, but that's where the benefit with working with the Business Center photogrammetry module is then gives you access to another software, a Trimble software called UAS Master, which then opens the door to supporting multiple drones, oblique imagery, and then also it opens the door to the photogrammetry side of the of the profession. So we have the ones up top is the DJI quantum micro drones. Those are all non-JXL format, so it's pretty much a drag and drop scenario. And then you have the other aircraft that we create the JXL file for import. So just depending on what system you have and what we support.